Hi loves, how are you? Welcome to Skin by Elle. Today we're going to be doing a facial with my beautiful client Melody, and her concern is overall aging, a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and just overall skin texture. So we're going to give her a light chemical peel as well as some amazing cleansing, exfoliation, and anti-aging treatments and ingredients. So I hope you enjoy. To start this facial, we're going in with an oil cleanser first. I always like to start with 2 really long, deep breaths to set the tone for the facial. As I work this into the skin, I really make sure that the face is massaged and really trying to work out any impurities or left on makeup. I add water to this to make it into a milky cleanser and really massage this into the skin. It's always great to massage your cleanser in for at least a minute when you're cleansing your skin. It's also super important to cleanse the skin very, very well when you're doing a facial to prep for the peel. Now you see I'm going in with my second cleanse. This has a little bit of texture to it just to, again, really make sure that the skin is nice and cleansed. This is what I call a double cleanse, which I recommend that everybody do at night. Again, really prepping the skin for this peel, making sure that there's nothing left on the skin. This is our third time cleansing. This is actually going to be with a chemical and a physical exfoliation technique. You want to really make sure that you don't ever exfoliate this much at home. It's done by a professional. This is a really fun enzymatic exfoliation type mask from ESthemax. You put this all over the skin and you let it dry. It's chemical exfoliation or enzymatic exfoliation is with papain. And we let this dry and then we kind of wet the skin. This is Tower 28's antibacterial, antifungal spray and a little bit of water on this great brush to really, again, purify, cleanse the skin, prep it for that peel. Now you see I'm going to go in with a sonic cleansing tool. This is done to remove the mask, but it's our first step in our extraction process. I don't love to do aggressive extractions, and this tool is fantastic for really starting the process off. You can see I'm really attention to detail here on her chin. Try to get out as much as I possibly can before I manually extract her. I am working on my camera angles for this because I know a lot of you guys really like to see up and close extractions, so bear with me. Now we're going into our dermaplaning part of this facial. I do use the Dermaflash tool for a lot of clients like this who are sensitive to the traditional methods of dermaplaning. I do the normal methods of dermaplaning, but for a lot of clients that are sensitive or have a ton of congestion, it's really the best method I've found. All right, now into the peel part of our series. I will take 3 passes on most clients. This is a glycolic acid, salicylic, and azelaic acid. So this is going to target her hyperpigmentation, any congestion that she might have. It's super gentle with no downtime. You will notice that she has a little bit of pink to the skin, and that is totally normal after a peel. Now we're going into a HYDROJELLY mask by ESthemax. This is so gorgeous for lightening the skin as far as overall brightness. It has really great medicinal properties as well as her targeted for her hyperpigmentation and congestion. We always do light therapy. I am doing red light therapy on her and time for a relaxing massage. And I also do a guided meditation here, whether that's on being present or being grateful. But we do about a 10 to 15 minute guided meditation with a full body massage. As you can see, I also use crystals in my facial practice since I do believe they have healing properties. I use rose quartz, amethyst, and clear quartz for her. Now I'm going in with an essence just to really lock in that hydration, give the skin what it needs because we have done a peel and quite a great exfoliation routine. The topical products that I'm using here, this is a targeted acne solution, just to keep that whole area nice and clear when she goes home. We are going to put on some Stem Factor by Osmosis to help with that regeneration of collagen and also help heal the skin and the barrier, since we have done a very effective facial. You'll also see that I'm going in with my vitamin A from Osmosis called Calm, and Rescue, also from Osmosis. I am mixing it with Infuse, which is their liquid to really help smooth this over the face, thin out the product, and work it into the skin. Here's where I begin one of my signature facial massages. I really work this cheek area, encouraging the muscles to be in an upward fashion. It feels amazing. It works out any kind of kinks in the skin, smooths out the skin, and also gives an instant lifting effect. Of course, you can see I'm doing Gua Sha here, which is another signature treatment that is in almost every single facial I do. This is fantastic for lymphatic drainage. It's great for lifting and firming the skin. And again, it also just feels absolutely incredible. The stone I'm using here is called the Empress Stone. It's from a company called Wildlings. It's probably one of my favorite stones ever that I've used for Gua Sha. It's usually, made out of quartz or something else, but this one is actually an amalgamate of 40 plus minerals known for their healing properties. We can never forget SPF. This is by Osmosis. It's called Protect, and it also kind of is a SPF and moisturizer in one. Using just a touch of eye cream, I've already put lip balm on her, and she is ready to come back to the real world. I always end with a little bit of pressure point in the back of her head, as well as the meridians on the top of her head. So I hoped you'd like seeing a glimpse into Skin by Elle. I have so many more of these videos coming soon. Thank you all so much for being here. Lots of love from me to you.